Now we're going to make a really cute turtle. I've got a 5-inch round blown up to about 2 inches. I've got a dark brown with about a 5-inch tail on the end of it. 260 that is. I've got a green 260 with about a 4-inch tail on it. And then a green 360 with about a 5-inch tail on it. We're going to start with the 360. Make sure it's soft. I'm going to twist about a 3.5-inch bubble, followed by another 3.5-inch bubble. And then we'll lock those two together. Then I'm going to make 2 small fold twists, just like that. So those fold twists are about 3 fingers wide. Those are going to be his cheeks. Now we're going to make a short neck, about 1.5 to 2-inch bubble. And we're going to make a little pinch twist, so a little round bubble. Make that a pinch twist. About a 3.5 to 4-inch body, followed by another pinch twist. And we're going to come right back with another bubble the same size as that one in his body. Twist that up into that front pinch twist. And then pop that excess off. We no longer need that. Now we're going to go ahead and give him his eyes. So take our 5-inch round, push the knob up into the middle, divide it into 2 equal bowls, just like that. And then come from underneath his mouth, bring one up on either side, cross them over the top to lock them in place, and then each one will rest in one of the little pockets created by the fold twist. There's his head. Now we're going to take our green 260, take the nozzle, and we're going to twist it up into the pinch twist in the front of our turtle, just like that. Now we're going to go down and make about a 3 to 4-inch bubble for the front leg, another bubble the same size, twist it into that pinch twist. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to lay it in this groove. It goes along, but I'm going to squeeze it so it's a little bit softer along this back to that pinch twist in the back, just like that. Now we're going to make 2 back legs the same size as the front legs, just like that. Lock them into that pinch twist, and then a short little tail. So make about 1.5 inch bubble. Pop off any extra that you have there. Tie that off, and then trim off any excess. Now we just need to add a shell, and our turtle will be complete. So take your brown, and I'm going to take and twist it up into the front here, the base of the neck. And then I'm going to take and, by having that one there, it gives us these 2 grooves. I'm going to lay one in this groove, from front to back, twist in that pinch, and then come back up in this groove to get the shell started. So front to back in that groove on one side, and then back to front in the groove on the other side. And now we've got a nice little groove in the top, so go back down one more time. Complete that part of the shell. And he's cute there, but now we're going to really help put him over the top, because turtles have those little bumps, or I don't know what you'd call them, indentions on the sides of the shell. So I'm going to make a string of pearls that's going to go around this side, twist into the front, and then come back around the other side and twist into the back. So we're going to make a little string of pearls here. Figure out how many it'll take to get there. Once you get to the front, twist into that pinch twist in the front. And you can see how that adds to it, that versus that. Now we'll just do the same down the other side. Get back to the back. Gets into the white tuna bubbles at the back. Pop this off. And there is a cute little turtle.